DeZURIK's high-quality products and team of experts make us a global leader in manufacturing valves for water treatment, sewage treatment, water distribution, pulp and paper, chemical and petrochemical, mining, power, hydropower dams, and other process industry valves. Customers worldwide have come to trust DeZURIK for its design innovation, quality, and service. The journey to manufacturing a finished DeZURIK valve starts in the receiving department. Material handlers check in freight and verify the parts and quantities. Once entered into the system, the component parts are transferred to various locations throughout the 400,000 square foot manufacturing facility for assembly or machining. One of the first steps in making a valve is the machine shop. DeZURIK's skillful machinists take raw castings and machine them to align with drawing specifications and to meet the customer's needs. The shop has a wide variety of CNC machining centers, lathes, and mills that allow parts to be machined with the highest accuracy and tolerances. DeZURIK has a robust inventory and cycle count team that ensures all inventory is accurately counted and located. The team works tirelessly to keep the warehouse clean and organized, so parts are ready to assemble and ship to our customers. Raw castings and other materials are sandblasted at DeZURIK using a variety of methods. A wheel abrader is used for larger batch sizes, and various blast booths are used for more precise jobs. The Pangborn allows employees at DeZURIK to sandblast parts in a safe and ergonomic method while still operating at high efficiency levels. DeZURIK has 7 paint and powder coat booths located strategically throughout the Sartell manufacturing plant. The finishers meticulously apply a 2-part epoxy to all valves and components with various colors, but are well known for applying the company's signature DeZURIK blue paint. Rubber linings allow valves to withstand abrasive conditions. DeZURIK customers have a variety of special, proprietary rubber formulations from which to choose. A majority of the rubber linings used on DeZURIK valves are made from raw components at our facility. The rubber is applied through hand lining or molded using heat and pressure. DeZURIK offers a variety of control valves that include high-performance butterfly valves, V-port ball valves, and rotary control valves used to regulate the flow of materials through pipelines in various industrial and municipal applications. When customers require valves made of alloys to resist corrosion, DeZURIK has the machining capability to 3D mill valve bodies and discs, allowing the company to produce unique configurations efficiently. DeZURIK BAW rubber-lined butterfly valves comply with the American Water Works Association standards and are most often used for clean drinking water applications. DeZURIK's factory has 3 specialized departments divided by valve size for manufacturing these valves. The small BAW department is designed as a focused factory to manufacture valves in 3 to 20-inch sizes. The valves are machined, painted, rubber molded, assembled, and tested within this department. In the mid-BAW department, valves larger than 20 inches are machined, assembled, and tested. A 6-axis mill turn with a pallet pool reduces multiple operations and setup time, allowing maximum efficiency. BAW valves 20 inches and above feature an adjustable and replaceable seat, non-hollow disc structure, and a rubber seat retained with a dovetail groove in the valve body. DeZURIK's ability to manufacture large valves sets us apart from many of our competitors. The large valve department machines and assembles various DeZURIK products, including plug valves and check valves ranging in size from 36 up to 144 inches. The Titan is the newest machine in the large valve area, a 7-axis mill turn capable of running parts up to 120 inches, supporting some of DeZURIK's most significant components. DeZURIK's founder created the eccentric plug valve in 1928, and it is still known throughout the world as the gold standard for waste and water handling. The plug valve assembly area puts together standard 3-way, 4-way, pump check, and balancing valves. Employees work diligently to assemble and test every valve to comply with DeZURIK and industry standards. The shipping department is the last stop before a DeZURIK valve leaves for its final destination. This group ensures that all products leaving the facility are safe and secure, reaching the end user in pristine condition. A large part of having a successful manufacturing operation is having a qualified and capable maintenance department. At DeZURIK, our maintenance employees repair machines to minimize downtime, build and adjust fixtures for the machining process, and are responsible for moving and setting up equipment throughout the entire shop. The DeZURIK team continuously delivers superior product performance and best-in-class customer service. As a member of our team, you will be part of a dynamic and growing company that recognizes and values its employees. We employ individuals who are dedicated, knowledgeable, empowered, passionate, and proud, creating products that improve the lives of people across the globe.